Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla. If you're new, I film beauty, lifestyle, and travel related videos. So if there's something you're into, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit those post notification bell so you always know when I upload a new video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at JustKaylaMichelle and give me a like on Facebook by the same name. So as you can see by the title below, today I'm going to start my vacation vlog, and that's why I sound a little yuck because it is currently like 6:30, probably almost 7 at this point. So we are actually about to hit the road. It's about to be a long drive, and I'll probably let you guys know where I'm at by the time I get there, or it's gonna be in the title. I don't know by now, but today's gonna be a very long travel day, so I'm definitely gonna get some editing done in the car and upload. So you guys will probably not see this vlog for a couple days. I'll probably be on the way back by the time you see this. I don't know, maybe not, maybe I'll be in the middle of the trip, who knows. Anywho, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'll see you guys when I get in the car. Anywho guys, so it's so many hours later. We're in Tennessee, and if you can look, hopefully I don't cover up the microphone this time. We're going down these scary hills, and then look at this semi just got in front of us, just throwing caution to the wind. My ears are popping, but I'm trying to pop them, but look at this. So we're going down this crazy ice road, trucker road that we go down when we're on our way to Florida, and the altitude just gets crazy. It feels like you're on an airplane, and lucky for us, all the ice and stuff has melted, so we don't have to worry about sliding off to our fiery deaths. You can't really see those animals over there, but yeah, so it's a lot of hours later. We're still only in Tennessee, but we have a little while to go before we get to Florida, so check in with you guys soon. So guys, we finally made it, and there's music playing, so I definitely don't want to get copyrighted like I have many times before, but we finally made it. We looking crazy. Brielle is acting a fool right now. Don't just ignore her. Oh no. It is currently 11:21 p.m. and hopefully we can have a quick room tour before I take a shower and crash. So I'll see you guys up there. Okay guys, so this is the first thing you see when you first walk in. So immediately here to your left we have a closet. And hopefully it's enough light for you guys to see because it is literally midnight. But I want to show you this before we mess the room up. So it's just a little closet, and of course we're going to put our stuff up in here. And then to your right, we have just a standard bathroom. I look so nasty right now, y'all. I've been traveling. I got my big t-shirt on, just whatever. So yeah, just your standard bathroom. I really cannot wait to take a freaking shower after that 14-hour ride. Then you come over here, we have the beds. They look pretty comfy. I cannot wait to just fall into these and go to sleep. And then we have our mirror over here where I know you guys will be seeing me doing my little outfits of the day. And this is clearly, you know, not one, but whatever. So yeah, then we have a TV over here. We have some drawers. And then my favorite is the little coffee station. And then we have an ice bucket, a desk that I'm gonna be doing my journaling at. And then they also have some nice chairs. These look pretty big, guys. And then over here, unfortunately there is no balcony, but no, it's probably hard to see because it's nighttime, but I'll show you guys better in the morning. So I'm just gonna probably go ahead and start getting unpacked, get my shower in, and call it a night. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So good morning, y'all. Today is officially, I guess you would say, day 1, because yesterday was just a full day of travel. So today we're finally about to get out and enjoy ourselves. It is actually probably almost noon and I am starving. We have not eaten since, I would say, probably about yesterday afternoon, maybe about 3 p.m. or so. So safe to say we are pretty freaking hungry. So we're about to go figure out what the heck we're about to eat, what we're about to do. This ponytail is clowning. I'm gonna leave it alone. But yeah, my makeup, oh my god, I look crazy. I look crazy and this light does not help. I look so orange. Oh my god. The story is, I did my makeup at first today and I don't know what happened. You know how sometimes you just do your makeup, oh my god, it looks so bad, and you just look crazy and you have to start over. So all I did was literally take foundation and put powder over it, and it's so orange. Oh my god. Just ignore that, y'all. I'm gonna have a mask on anyway, so whatever. But hopefully it's not too dark. This is just my little OOTD. Everything came from Rainbow. I got these shorts like a long time ago, and I got this little bodysuit, and these shoes, these little fluffy shoes, actually came from Amazon. That's Paw. I know what it is. But yeah, so we'll see you guys in a minute. So we're just walking through the hotel. These are the grounds. It's pretty so far. Oh, that's all I needed to see. So breaking news, y'all. Here's a Starbucks. I need that. We don't know what to do. Free. We don't know what we're doing. We're just aimlessly walking around. Oh, they got mimosas? Period. This is really cute. So they had this little pond over here. I'm sure this is really cute at night because they got their little lights on the Christmas trees. And they have this little outdoor seating area. How adorable. I'm definitely getting the mimosa shorty.
Your first time in Laguna?
Yeah. Can we eat outside?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, yeah, I'll try this.
It feels so good to not have a coat on. I look like an Oompa Loompa. I look like an Oompa Loompa. And you really fit this so good. What's crazy is you should have seen me before this. I made Donald Trump a run for his money. Well, it's not very many options. They got street tacos. You said to drink? I'm sure they probably got, you know. Oh, they got strawberry peach lemonade, brie.
That sounds delicious.
These are mocktails.
Oh, lemon pepper. They sound good. Oh my god, lemon pepper.
Cool. You want to order the drink first?
Yes.
Or you ready to make that order?
I think we're ready for all of it.
Ready for all of everything? Oh, yeah. Okay, start with you. Where do you want to get the drink?
I want to do your mimosa.
Mimosa? Sure. We have the special $5 mimosa and the tequila from my side. You want to get the regular mimosa?
Yeah.
Because tequila's alright, that's the same mimosa but has the splash tequila.
Okay, just the regular. And
And
also
what do you want to
water.
get for water?
I want to do your the buffalo wings.
Buffalo wing. With one you say, right? You want to add fries?
Yeah. Or let's just like
You know,
bone-in
the
wings.
fries is separate. That's okay? No, this is a regular wing with bun
Okay.
in.
Okay, that's fine.
You ready, Dad?
Yeah, let me get your buffalo wings too.
Okay, guys. Brielle, I thought that was a bird. I got scared. So we got our drinks. I got a mimosa. I haven't had a mimosa in a long time. And my mom got one. My daddy got strawberry lemonade. And Brielle got strawberry lemonade. I should have never taught my daddy how to use the Alexa because he keeps dropping in randomly in the living room. But yeah, we are waiting for this food. Hopefully this mimosa is good. But I need to take a little boomerang of it first before I taste it, of course. Okay, so I got my boomerang. I look crazy. This just whatever, y'all.
We made it here in one day. I was gone. I was here by 10.
It's pretty sexy. But this angle is so awkward.
No, we stopped a few times, but I got here at 10
Yeah, I'm ready for this
last
food.
night.
We are starving.
So that was a good time.
My mama is FaceTiming my brother, and you know old people think they gotta yell at the phone. She's gonna be mad when she sees this. Yeah, I called her old.
What? You talking about
I'm not talking about you.
What are you talking about?
Your grandma yelling at the phone. What? Hey, Micah. How you doing, baby? Alright, well, I'm gonna see y'all when we do something a little more interesting.
Come on, do it again. Come on, shake your head again. No. He was shaking his head.
Bro, what is this? Look at all these tree stumps like this. This is crazy. Roots. Ew. So we back in the room for a minute. I have no idea where my tripod is. I think I left it in the car, but we didn't do anything really. We just went to Walgreens, so I'm just gonna show you the couple of things I got. So since tomorrow we are going to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Oh, and if I didn't tell you guys, I'm in Orlando. I feel like I went through this whole video and have not told y'all where I was. So yeah, we got these little book bags. They were $6.99, and I actually have my Minnie Mouse purse, but since everybody else had book bags, I wanted a book bag. So gang gang. I don't know what that gang sound was, guys. Anywho, I got some razors because obviously we're very hairy. I don't know, we forgot to bring razors for whatever reason. And then I just got some little press-ons. My daughter actually has some nails. I'm going to use her glue for these because I'm tired of my nails looking just brittle and nasty. So we'll see how this works. Then I got some sanitary napkins because I don't know what's going on with my body right now. It's doing whatever it pleases. Who knows? We just want to be prepared. And what I'm most excited about is I have not seen this in my city at all. But so I got these Olay Fresh Scent Cooling White Strawberry bar soaps. So I've been seeing everybody have the actual body wash. And they talk about how good it smells. So I got this. So of course y'all know. I'm not going to go anywhere and not get any hygiene products, so I got that. So I'm very excited to smell that and see what that's like. So I really don't know what the rest of the day is going to consist of because it really looks kind of gloomy outside. This is the view. So as you can see, we got the palm trees. Then we have this very unaesthetic rooftop down here. don't know what that's about. But yeah, you can just see over, we're kind of close to downtown Orlando. We are on International Drive, and the hotel we are at is the Doubletree Hotel on International Drive. And if you look, I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna try to zoom in. I think that might be Splash Mountain over there. I'm not quite sure. I know we are close to SeaWorld. Actually, I think like we're in walking distance of it, so that might be Splash Mountain, but because there's an actual walkway that you can walk to SeaWorld too, so. Oh, let's get out of my business. We too close. So yeah, I don't know what we're about to do. That's why I really haven't been vlogging much, because we really don't have any information. Today was pretty much like a chill day, just since we did so much traveling yesterday. And I actually got a headache because my mom got this sangria after we got those mimosas, and it was strong. It was strong, but what I think is what happened is it was bottom of the barrel liquor, so I had to take some ibuprofen. So yeah, anywho, we'll check back in with you guys in a minute.
Yeah, are you looking funny?
So y'all, we just got to an outlet mall. Okay, there's music. I'm gonna get copyrighted, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit when I can. But I know I'm gonna end this soon because I have been making this extra long. So just let me give you guys a quick overview. It looks closed to me for some reason. Mall low-key looks abandoned. This is supposed to be Orlando Premium Outlets. I haven't been here since I was a kid. And then my kid has never been here. So, yeah.
Like very the Gucci store. Can we look at stuff? I already clicked on that.
Oh, excuse me. My mom says the Gucci store is here. But where it at though? What is it? Sugar? Is that a candy store? They got Perry Ellis. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute because clearly we cannot find this store. Okay guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and end off this one, and this is the end of day one. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in tomorrow for day 2, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.